All right, it is cold, it is stormy, it is the dead of winter. I have here a brand new battery that I'm gonna put in my Toyota Highlander. But before I did that, this is a dead battery right here. And so I actually wanted to do a real world test of this guy. It's awfully light. It says it's the NEXPOW 2000. It's got all sorts of bells and whistles. You can charge your phone apparently, and there's a flashlight on there. But I don't care about there being a flashlight. I actually want to know if in fact this thing will jump a completely dead battery in cold weather in the dead of winter. This engine is not warm, it's not hot, it is completely dead. So I went ahead and got this in the mail today, and I'm curious as to see whether or not it will work, because I see these all over the internet and they look kind of gimmicky, honestly. So I honestly, I don't think it's gonna jump this car, because this battery is totally dead. The dome light won't even turn on in the car. So the proof is in the pudding. Let's see here. So first of all, what you're gonna do is you're going to peel off this little rubber piece right there, which exposes those two connectors, at which point we're gonna pop this guy in. Oh, it's cold out. My hands are actually cold. It's a little hard to get this in there. And you can see that there's a blue light right there, and there are indicators on there. So we are looking for blue and green when we plug it in right here. Okay, so first of all, let's go ahead and attach the ground, which is the black. And now we're gonna attach the red right there. Oh, look at that. It actually has the green and the blue on there. All right, we are now connected. Let's go ahead and crank it and see if it works. You and me together, we're going to discover this. I don't know, here we go. And keys are in, 3, 2, 1, on. It is working. Hey, it worked. It actually worked. I'm really surprised. Like, seriously surprised. So, there you go, guys. In the dead of winter, a cold engine. I just jumped it. My verdict is this. Yes, get this and put it in your car in the event that you need to use this to jump your vehicle someday. Absolutely worth it. I'm blown away. 5 out of 5 stars.